how to buy a parcel on Cryptovoxels. We can click on the button Buy, which will tell us all the parcels being listed by the website itself. In our case, we have to wait 5 days. So if we want to acquire a parcel, we'll have to go on the secondary market. For that, we have to go on OpenSea.io and we can select the parcels that we want. You have to make sure you select Cryptovoxels as an asset, so Cryptovoxels, and you get it right here. So here we've got the parcels with the price 2.6 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum here, 2.3 Ethereum. Right, but what I want is this particular parcel, which is at .NET Trace. Search this parcel right there. So in our case, the parcel does not have a buy button here because the parcel has not been listed, but I can put an offer if I want. So say I buy this parcel. Okay, so here we've bought the parcel, so it's owned by me. I can sell it or gift it. Now I want to see the parcel in-game, right? So I click on View on Cryptovoxels. Beautiful, so here's my parcel on Cryptovoxels. But I'm not logged in yet, so what I do is I click Login. I signed. And there we go. So now if I refresh, there you go, I can see the build, transfer, settings, and OpenSea. We could already see OpenSea before, but we've got these 4 extra tabs. And here we can see that I am the owner of this parcel. Awesome. So what do we do in this case? We click Update. So in my case, the tabs updated before I clicked Update. But if you don't see these tabs, it means that the website doesn't know yet that it is your parcel. So you have to click Update to let the server know that this is now your parcel. Alright, so if you click Account, you should see your parcel here. Great. So now let's go visit our parcel and add some blocks. Awesome, here am I on my parcel, my brand new parcel, and I even have a neighbor right there. So how do I do to build? I press the tab button, tab. Here in this case, I see a grayed out button, 2 grayed out buttons, apart from the P and the house. This means that the server does not recognize me as the owner of the parcel. In this case, what I have to do is click on .NET Place again, click Update, and even in some cases you can sign out and sign in again. Press Visit. Awesome. So now we press Tab, and there we go, I am the owner of this parcel.